Someone is sleeping in my garage. Let me tell you the story about what happened and how we dealt with it. Hi, I'm Ben, the St. Louis real estate ninja. I own over 35 doors in St. Louis, and if you need property management or real estate needs, that's what I'm here for. Feel free to email, text, or call me, and I would love to talk to you about your St. Louis goals. Other than that, let's go. So we've been getting this unit rent ready for a couple of months now, and a lot of times we have to go to the alley to get to the trash bins where the garage is. So one day I walk past there and I see cardboard boarded up from the inside and the door is locked. Is someone actually living in this garage? So I did talk to the upstairs tenant and asked him if he saw any activity nearby. He said he saw a guy on a bicycle. Also, the windows here were cardboarded from the inside, and when I was checking this lock, it was locked when it wasn't supposed to be. So we call the cops, we wait for an hour, but basically the story was they talked to him, they said we couldn't throw away his stuff for a couple of hours, we can't just throw his stuff right there, and they also said if he comes back, it would be bad for him and it could be a burglary charge because we already told him to leave. But the cops told us to wait. I really wanted to throw away all his stuff right there because if all of his stuff is in there, then he's gonna come back for it. But it was really late that day, it would be another few hours. So we decided to check on it the next day. And the next day, he's still there. So we call the cops again. They talk to the man again, but this time I'm throwing everything away right now. So me and my guys start trashing everything, going to the alleys and dumping things right in front of his face. And that was pretty weird because all his belongings are getting thrown away right there. But we had to do it right then. So luckily the police were here. Let me show you a shot here. So it was really weird, and I'm glad that they stayed because it would have been really weird if they would have left and we were just throwing away all of his stuff right in front of him. He could have been very combative, but luckily the officers stayed here for over an hour. As the officers were talking to him, they were talking to him right here for a long time, and they were running his warrants and records. So we were wondering what was gonna happen. They were thinking about releasing him and just letting him go here, but I wanted them to book him so he wouldn't come back right away. But they ran some warrants on him and he actually had some outstanding warrants for him in the county. So now we changed all the locks, everything is secure, but it's very unfortunate that some people are in a situation where they have to sleep in a detached garage. But I'm telling you this story because there's always adventures in real estate and you never know what's gonna happen. But the key is to be calm and cool under pressure, solve problems, and keep it moving. That's what we do here at Dreamweaver Property Management. If you need help with St. Louis real estate or property management, that's what I'm here for. Feel free to email, text, or call me and we can help you with that. But I hope you learned something from this video. See you on the next one.